Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an OP thing. First, you're going to start off by getting some ice. You're going to build like that, add one like that, like that, like that. You're just going to delete it. You're going to get a hinge, which you can get from the shop. Just like that. No, wrong place. Yep, just like that. Now you're gonna need this, what you get from the quest is to find me. Eat it, and then you're gonna launch it. And then you can do this. Oh, wrong way. Well, you get the point. That's the easiest. Okay, thanks.